Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek. I am line dance instructor and choreographer. And this is the tutorial of AMOR Bachata. It is 64 counts, 2-wall, easy intermediate left line dance, choreographed by and also and last but not least, that's myself. Section 1, yeah. And this is my right foot. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is my right foot, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is my right foot, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the dance. But there is 4 contact, yeah. 4 take is happen end of ball 3, 5, and 6. I am going to face camera for the tag, and this is my right foot. The tag is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the ending. Ending happens on wall 7. 7, yeah. I am going to do the walkthrough of wall 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all. I like it. Don't forget, please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my channel. I like it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.